everyone and welcome to Upgrowth. In today's session, I will walk you through all about email marketing. Today, we are diving into the world of email marketing. You might be wondering, is email marketing even relevant anymore? Well, the answer is a resounding yes. There is a catch. It's not the channel, it's how you use it. Yes, you heard that right. It's not the channel, it's how you use it. We get it. Ads are everywhere. Social media feeds are overflowing, and some might have you believe email marketing is a thing of the past. But here's the truth, people still do check their emails. In fact, a staggering 99% of email users do it daily. That's a direct line to a massive engaged audience compared to social media, where content visibility can be a hit or a miss. But wait, nobody wants a spam. Nobody enjoys generic messages clogging their inbox or feeds. That's why email marketing done right is about targeted personalized communication. This is the era of reaching customers exactly where they are with messages that resonate with their interest and needs. Today, email marketing industry is booming and projected to reach over 2 billion by 2026. This isn't surprising considering the number of email users, a staggering 4.6 billion expected by 2025 alone. And get this, email marketing boasts an incredible average return on investment of 4,200%. Imagine a marketing strategy that returns $42 for every $1 you invest. Pretty impressive, right? But before diving headfirst into email campaigns, their strategy, and what makes it a real winner, let's understand ROI, return on investment from email marketing campaign. It's a crucial metric that quantifies the financial returns on your email marketing investment and allows you to understand your campaigns thoroughly, whether they're generating profits compared to resources spent on creating and spending them. So let's delve into the calculation. I'll walk you through our nifty email marketing ROI calculator. As you see, here are four input fields that are required. First is email marketing software cost per month. It could be the monthly subscription cost of your email marketing campaign, then maybe integrations to your CRM, depending on what email service provider you're using. Active Campaign, MailChimp, More Engage, SendGrid, multiple ESP software solutions are there out there. And depending on the usage of your software, you might be using advanced features for your automations, workflow creation. So depending on that, you can input the monthly marketing software cost. So let's assume it's $200 in your case. Then this is the optional cost, which is the email content cost. It is optional. You can specify if you have something in particular. It's the cost that you're incurring maybe on your copywriting, giving to a writer. So let's say it's $50 in your case. Then email design cost is also an optional field wherein you're investing $100 to a graphic designer if you want custom templates or want to integrate interactive features like calculators or forms, or maybe some e-commerce platform in today's age and time directly include add to cart features to their email campaigns only, making it more interactive. So from design standpoint, if you're incurring additional cost, you can include it over here. And then you have to input the overall revenue you're making from only email as a medium per month. So let's say you're making $2,000 per month from this channel. Simply hit calculate and you get your ROI for this 1 month, which is 471.43% approximately. Impressive, right? So now you might be wondering, does this channel work for my business? Would it work for me? The answer is likely yes. Email marketing isn't dead, it is evolved. We understand the skepticism behind. Blast emails with irrelevant content are a recipe for disaster. So don't let these myths hold you back. The key lies in understanding your target audience market and crafting personalized messages that resonate with their specific needs and interests. If done right, email marketing is a powerful channel for reaching your target audience, understanding them, and then tying them to your business. But if you're not sure where to start, curious how your email marketing efforts stack up against the competition, the good news is that you don't have to go alone. We offer tools and consultancy to help you understand your TAM and craft targeted campaigns. So you can check out this calculator by following the link in the description. And if you want a growth partner, book a consultation with a growth hacking specialist. Check out the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tools to help you optimize your online business. Thanks.